frustrated. That's the word business owners have been using over the past 2 years when they tell me that the insurance broker they've had for many years sold out and now the service absolutely sucks. In this video, I'm going to explain why this is happening and what you can do about it if you're feeling this way. Coming right up. Okay, are you one of those business owners that enjoyed a long-term, trusted relationship with their insurance broker, and then they sold out and you feel like the new owner really doesn't care about your relationship? If you are, you're not alone. Big firms are gobbling up insurance agencies, large and small, across the US like crazy. These big buyers often consolidate the purchased agencies to reduce overhead and increase their profits. And there's nothing wrong with that, but what I often hear is that client relationships are taking a beating. The client who previously dealt with the agency owner or a high-level account manager is now dealing with a junior associate who really doesn't understand the client's business risks, or worse, they don't really understand business insurance. The worst part could be that the service relationship has been offshored, meaning that the client requests for certificates and other issues are handled by a big call center in some low operating cost country, and there's really no relationship or expertise. Very frustrating for most business owners. So what do you do? Well, you could contact the owner of the firm that purchased your insurance agent's business, but in many cases, finding that decision maker is going to be difficult. These buyers are pretty opaque online. Or you could change brokers and find one that's a right fit for you and your business. You should realize that your account would be welcomed by many agents and valued by many agents out there. So how do you do it? Well, you could ask your other advisors like your CPA, your banker, or your attorney, and you could also ask your peers in your industry who they use and if they're happy. I'd also recommend looking online for options. It's going to take a little time and research, but it's not impossible. My suggestion is to start searching for insurance agents that specialize in what you do. For example, if you're a manufacturing firm, you'll look online for insurance agents that target or feature manufacturing accounts on their websites. If you need special services like risk control services, you'll want to make sure that prospective agencies offer that as a service. In fact, I would recommend making a wish list of things you want from a new insurance relationship and then look online for firms that fit your needs. Keep in mind that for the most part, these agents don't need to be local to you unless you specifically want that in a broker. I'd also look at the prospective agency's Google reviews and testimonials. When you've got a short list, make calls to these candidates and talk about what's going on, what you're looking for, and go over your wish list and ask probing questions like, do you have a knowledgeable support team? How can you help me reduce risk and cost? Do you have other clients like me in your book of business? Do you or your team have professional designations that support your knowledge in insurance? And so forth. You'll also want to disclose the premiums you're paying so that it's clear to brokers you're interviewing what they can expect in compensation. The truth is that some accounts are too small for some brokers to engage on, and some are too large for other brokers to engage on. Here's the bottom line. You don't need to put up with sucky service. When relationships change, your expectations don't need to go down to fit the new firm's service standards. You have choices and options. It may take some effort to find that ideal relationship, but it'll be worth it, and in the long run, save you the hassle and frustration you're feeling now. I hope you'll consider contacting me for a conversation as well. I'll be transparent on the types of firms we work with, and if I think we'd be a good fit for you and your business or not. My contact info is coming up, and there's also in the description box below a link where you can book a call directly on my calendar. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you.